In simple words, the main point, friction, the hidden force is the idea this video explains in simple words. Yo, have you ever wondered why this works the way it does? Buckle up, by the end of this video, you'll understand it better than most adults. No cap. Alright, here's the game plan. We're breaking this into 4 bite-sized chunks. Each one comes with a real-life example that'll make you go, oh wait, that's why that happens. No complicated math, just pure understanding. Part 1, Common Mistakes Students Make on Exams. Meaning, okay, so common mistakes students make on exams, here's the deal. Imagine you're on a skateboard. You push off the ground, and you start rolling. That push is a force. Example, think about playing football. When you kick the ball, your foot pushes it forward, but guess what, the ball pushes back on your foot with the exact same force. Remember, this law is happening around you right now, in your phone, your shoes, and every ball you've ever thrown. Part 2, a fun experiment you could try at home. Meaning, let me break down a fun experiment you could try at home in a way that makes sense. Think of the universe as a giant video game. This is one of the core rules programmed into the game engine. Example, imagine you're in a car and the driver hits the brakes suddenly. Your body flies forward, right? That's not magic, that's inertia. Your body wants to keep moving even though the car stopped. Remember, physics isn't just textbook stuff, it's the invisible rulebook that runs the entire universe. Part 3, the connection to other physics laws. Meaning, here's the connection to other physics laws explained simply. Picture throwing a ball straight up in the air. It goes up, slows down, stops for a split second, then comes right back down. Example, picture a roller coaster at the top of the biggest drop. Right there, you have maximum potential energy. The second it drops, that energy converts into speed, kinetic energy. Remember, once you see this pattern in real life, you cannot unsee it. You'll notice it everywhere. Part 4, surprising facts about this. Meaning, surprising facts about this is simpler than your textbook makes it look. Strip away the fancy equations, and what you have is a basic pattern. Example, grab 2 objects, a heavy book and a pencil. Drop them from the same height at the same time. They hit the ground at almost the same moment. Remember, the best part? The same law applies whether you're on Earth, on the moon, or floating in space. Quick recap, this is easier when you split it into small parts. Today we covered common mistakes students make on exams, a fun experiment you could try at home, the connection to other physics laws, surprising facts about this. Use one idea first. Then add the next. That's this explained. If you want more physics that makes sense, subscribe. Tomorrow's topic is going to blow your mind even more. Remember this, one clear idea is better than many confusing details.